Welcome to video 3. In this video you will be learning a little bit more about the hard drive of a computer, aka the internal hard drive. The hard drive is the main place your computer uses to store information. The hard drive looks like a small rectangular box of plastic and metal, slightly larger than one's hand. For a hard drive to function properly within a computer, it must be hooked up in two ways. First, connected by way of a PATA, or now more commonly on newer hard drives, a SATA cable. This cable is then hooked to the motherboard for data processing by the CPU. Secondly, a hard drive must be hooked up to a power supply within the computer. This connection will be either a 4-pin peripheral power connector, as illustrated on the top, or, on a newer hard drive, a serial ATA power connector, as illustrated on the bottom. If using a PATA hard drive, jumpers on the back will have to be manually set for the hard drive to be recognized by the BIOS. If using a SATA drive, one can set the main and secondary relationship in the computer BIOS. There are also different types of hard drives. A hard disk drive, or HDD, with moving internal pieces, and the newer solid-state drive, or SSD, with no moving pieces. The main advantage of an SSD is the boost in speed that one's computer will see, since there are no moving pieces, and the lower power consumption per drive. The downside is that SSDs are slightly more expensive than the older hard disk drives, and SSDs can be written to at a more limited amount before they fail. And now, my personal opinion on the future of hard drives. With the popularity of solid-state memory reaching an ever-increasing frenzy, as is seen with flash drives and SD cards, I believe once SSD prices come closer to that of HDD prices, we will see the death of the hard disk drive, no moving pieces, the rise of solid-state memory. So, what do you think will be the future of the hard disk drive? Thank you for watching. Produced by Joshua Schumann.